US President Donald Trump says the United States has captured Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro and his wife Celia Flores during what he described as large-scale US attacks on Venezuela. Trump made the statement amid an ongoing series of US military strikes in the Caribbean Sea and the Eastern Pacific Ocean. Washington says these operations are targeting drug smuggling boats and related facilities, but details have been limited and contested. In response, Venezuela's government, through Vice President Delcy Rodriguez, says it does not know the whereabouts of Maduro or his wife. In a televised audio message, he demanded proof that President and Mrs. Flores are alive, calling the situation very serious. At this stage, no independent confirmation has emerged from international news organizations, United Nations officials, Venezuelan authorities, or other governments about Maduro capture. The claim drew quick comparisons to earlier US interventions in Latin America and the Middle East. In 1989, the United States invaded Panama, arresting its leader Manuel Noriega on drug trafficking charges. Noriega was flown to the US, tried in Miami, and later imprisoned abroad. In 2003, US forces captured Saddam Hussein in Iraq after a prolonged military campaign. Hussein was handed over to Iraqi authorities, tried and executed on charges including crimes against humanity. The current claims also highlight perceived double standards in US policy. For example, former Honduran President Juan Orlando Hernandez was extradited to the United States in 2022 on drug-related charges but was pardoned by the Trump in December 2025 before an international arrest warrant was reportedly issued in Honduras. Back in Venezuela, the government had not only denied knowledge of Maduro's capture but is demanding clarity. The absence of independent verification has left many observers urging caution even as the situation fuels fears of a major diplomatic and security crisis involving the US and Latin America governments. At the same time, the broader context includes long-standing US pressure on Venezuelan leadership, allegations of drug trafficking links, and repeated American military action in regional waters, all of which have contributed to rising tensions. This remains a developing international story. Viewers should expect further updates as verified information becomes available.